Dr. Craig, thank you for being here. Along that note, the distinction between redemption as applied and redemption as accomplished, do you take a stance on what exactly is necessary for redemption to be applied, specifically whether God can unilaterally apply redemption? J.P. Moreland and other Christian thinkers have said that, for example, in the cases of unborn children, sometimes God can unilaterally apply redemption independent of whether a person makes a conscious decision. Do you think that this can be applied in that case, in cases of people who had never heard of Christianity? What are the prerequisites to the application?
I do think in the case of infants or the severely mentally retarded, we could say that God extends his grace to them so that they have salvation because they're incapable of responding either for or against it. But that for anyone who is a normally situated adult and has freedom of the will, my inclination is to say that God allows that person to choose whether he wants to be reconciled to God or not, and that God will respect that free decision rather than unilaterally overwhelm his free will and force him to become a believer. So in that sense, I'm not a Reformed theologian.